The historic Stone of Scone, the ancient coronation stone upon which monarchs in Britain have been crowned for centuries, was returned to London's Westminster Abbey on Saturday, ahead of the next week's coronation of King Charles III. Also known as the Stone of Destiny and regarded as a sacred, historic symbol of Scotland's monarchy and nationhood. It was moved from its permanent home at Edinburgh Castle for the first time in more than 25 years, Historic Environment Scotland said. It was removed from the castle on Thursday in a ceremonial procession involving Joseph Morrow, the Lord Lyon King of Arms, and the monarch's representative in Scotland. Morrow said after the ceremony in Westminster Abbey to mark the stone's return to London.
Well, of course, the stone being back here is a sense of real unity. There's a big history behind this, which started with a bit of enmity, and then the late Queen brought it back in a kindness to Scotland in 1996, and it comes down as a unity symbol of friendship and part of Scotland's contribution to the coronation.
The stone's origins are unknown, but it was believed to have been used in the inauguration of Scottish kings as far back as the early 9th century. England's King Edward I seized the stone from the Scots in 1296, and it was incorporated into the Coronation Chair he ordered in 1308 for London's Westminster Abbey. That chair has since been used in coronation ceremonies of English and British monarchs since Henry IV in 1399.